day 4, being captured by her.
Come on, prisoner.
I'm just making a vlog.
We're gonna do the technique.
She doesn't know I'm about to escape. My ride's here. So, how was it here? Guys, I'm making a crazy escape. No! Okay, I give up. I give up. I give up. I give up.
I just give you up.
I'll give you up. I know I gave up. On my camera. No! Wait, hurt my camera. The first time you broke my camera. Guys, please someone help me bust out of here.
Guys, this is only a joke, okay? Now,
She's...
whenever we end the video...
Oh, hey, no, don't listen to her. By the way, she's a Retardosaurus Rex, and she's a dumb noodle. She's actually... She hits inside her own channel. Her brother and sister. Nope, you suck. Sucking! I'm stalking Retardosaurus Rex. If I don't move, it can't see me. If I don't move, you can't see me.
Hi. You wanna know my secret?
You don't know I'm here. You can't see me.
No. I can.
No, go with the flow.
At the end of every video, I want you to tell them that this is only a joke and not to really think and it's just for fun.
Call 911. I'm actually captured. Please call me. Prisoners just... Capture is just too stupid. Please call 911. Address, Plainview Road, 436 Plainview Road. I'm joking, don't. Actually, that's not even an address. Oh, whatever, I'm not that dumb. She doesn't know. I'm just slowly gonna walk away. Slowly walk away. I don't see her. Oh, she's in the tree lines. She's in the tree lines. You see her. You see the slender girl. She's walking. I'm walking slowly down. I don't know what she's doing. Okay. I'm losing my battery. Okay, guys. I'm gonna slowly walk away. Guys, I gotta slowly do this. Because if she sees me, I'm screwed. I don't see her. She doesn't see me. I don't see her. Hey, Turd Nugget! Turd Nugget over here, Turd Nugget! Turd Nugget! Turd! I appear as being doing the chicken. I don't know what it's doing. It's really hot out here. Turd! Oh no, the chicken's charging! The chicken's charging! The chicken's charging! The chicken's charging! The chicken. I'm punching the chicken in the face. Okay.